Hello, and let's begin. I want to show you a simple method to set up sketches so that it's easier to make future modifications. By using parallel and perpendicular constraints instead of vertical and horizontal constraints, your sketches will be more versatile. To illustrate, on the screen we have seemingly similar parts. The only difference is the use of vertical and horizontal constraints. Let's review the models. The first one was made with perpendicular and parallel constraints. So let's go to the sketch and see what it looks like. Over here we see that the only thing that ties us to the XYZ axis is this parallel constraint. Everything else is using perpendicular and parallel to the sketch itself. So if I need to edit the sketch, all I have to do is remove this parallel constraint, and now I can easily rotate it just by grabbing the corner. And I can fully constrain the sketch by adding an angular dimension. So that easily allowed me to edit the sketch. So now let's see if we can do the same thing with part number 2. Let's open up the sketch and let's review. So as you can see, this sketch was made with horizontal and vertical constraints. Let's see if we can do the same thing as the first part. Let's delete the horizontal constraint and let's see if we can rotate it. So as you can see, it doesn't really let me rotate the part, just lets me modify it a little bit. In order for me to achieve the same results, I will have to remove the horizontal and vertical constraints and replace them with parallel and perpendicular. Let's do that really quick. So now that we remove the horizontal and vertical constraints, let's add perpendicular and parallel. Let's rotate it into place, give it an angle, let's finish the sketch, and now we have the similar angles on both parts. So what I recommend is not to use the horizontal and vertical constraints and to remove from the auto infer constraints as such. We open up the sketch and under infer constraints and dimensions, you come over here and you uncheck the vertical and horizontal constraints. Now you will not get automatic horizontal and vertical constraints. Thank you for watching, and if there's anything else you would like me to cover in future tips, please let me know.